Good morning, guys. I'm running late. We're trying to go see this tulip park, so we're gonna grab brunch first, go to a cafe, and then hopefully go see the tulips. I hope that they're not dead. We want to take, or I want to take pictures. I'm forcing her to take pictures with me, but I want to show you guys my outfit. I'm not gonna wear the jacket while taking pictures, but it is kind of chilly, so I just threw it on over top. I'm wearing this white dress, and then I'm wearing these loafers. So the loafers are from Ably, and the dress is from Goto Mall. This jacket I got in some random shop, I don't remember. Just a crop denim jacket. I hope it's not too cold. This is my vibe today. I gotta go, so I will talk to you guys when I meet up with Stephanie. Stephanie, say hi. You look like a celebrity because your glasses and your mask. Oh my god, shady. My poor baby is sick. Okay. Oh no, what happened? Right now we're going, I mentioned we were going to brunch, and then we're gonna go to a cafe because we're starving. Yay! Food is life. Bro, look at this flower. Is it edible? Probably. Steph got the French toast, and there's like bacon, bananas. What is this, like jam, blueberry jam?
Yeah, blueberry jam, croissant.
Is that ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And croissant. I'm gonna wait for yours.
I think you got the perfect mix of like savory and sweet. How was it? How was your first bite?
So good.
Good?
So good.
It's such a nice day. We're going to this bear themed cafe because I thought it was really cute. They also have stationery. So we can go look at the station. I know, right? So we can go and look at the stationery stuff and have like coffee, and I don't know. We can check out the desserts. Honestly, I could have a dessert. But like I know you had a sweet breakfast, so we'll see. Yeonamdong, and it's like they have super cute restaurants here, and it's hella busy right now. So hopefully there's a spot in the cafe.
In the bear cafe.
Yeah. It's so cute. Oh my god, wait, Steph. Steph, get in here. Which is the bear, like the cute little bear cafe and like stationery cafe. Look at how freaking cute the cups are. So this one has a bear on it, and then they put it on this bear coaster. Oh, I'm a sucker for cute things. Sorry, Steph, can I show yours? This one has like a little puppy thing on it, and then they matched the coaster with the cup. So cute. We both got iced vanilla lattes. We got an Oreo milk cake. And there's a little cat on it. I'm trying to like not make it fall, but it's so cute. Oh, yay. Look, I'm forcing her to be in that social media lifestyle. She's taking pictures now. Bon appetit. Cuff. Oh, where's the E? There she is. We made it to the park, but I literally have no idea where we're supposed to go. And this park is huge, and Stephanie almost like died going up the hill. Yeah, we didn't expect, I'll like put the location down at the bottom, but I didn't expect it for it to be uphill, and Steph is still getting over like her sickness. So she just started profusely coughing. I like feel so bad. We're on the hunt for these tulips. Hopefully they're still in bloom because the cherry blossoms are all gone.
I found it. I think I see.
You see some colors?
Yeah, I think
okay.
red. I think it's there.
Yay! Okay, but how do we get there? Okay, we're just gonna figure it out. We found the tulips and all the flowers, but it's really busy. It's like really hard to take pictures, but I just like taking pictures of the flowers, I think. My camera died in the middle of me vlogging yesterday, so it's the next day. It's actually the evening. It's like basically 6 p.m. I wanna go to Daiso. I was cleaning my apartment and kind of reorganizing. Stay tuned, I am going to do an apartment tour. I have to pick up some like organizational things. So I'm back from Daiso, and I'm just gonna quickly show you guys like the things that I got for organizing and I guess decorating too. These are just some mats that I wanted to add to the space to make it more cozy. So I got this, just like a plain pink bath mat. I wanted one that was a rectangular shape. This was 5,000 won, or like equivalent to like less than $5. And then I saw this cute sleeping puppy mat that I just had to have it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but it's cute and I wanted it. It was only 3,000 won. The main thing that I wanted were some organizers. I was literally staring at the organization section for so long. I went with just the white color, so I got one of the small ones, 2 medium ones. These ones aren't deep. Oh my god. Just to have things separated and like move around easily in my cupboards. And then I just got like a big one. That's everything that I got from Daiso. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Sorry if it was like very messy or sporadic. I will see you guys in my next video.